to address edge data center budget challenges. How does an edge data center provider address budget challenges? That is a fantastic question. So let's just frame where we are with it as an edge data center provider. As an edge data center provider, you are largely in the operator part of digital infrastructure, meaning your first cousins of being an edge data center provider are colo providers. At the extreme opposite end of being an edge provider are hyperscale providers. Then there's also wholesale data center providers and modular data center providers. And a modular data center provider actually could be in the edge business. In other words, like people are taking a modular data center and putting that in a very, very precise location where they're minimizing latency and dealing with a very unique physical location demand. So you're an operator. You're dealing with technologists in most cases, as opposed to facilities folks. You'll likely have your own facilities folks, but you're selling mostly to technologists, other operators, maybe some end users of data centers. You won't have much interaction with construction so much, or real estate. Yeah, the real estate matters, but likely the calculus that you use, the decision-making process that you use for investing in real estate related to edge is usually very, very different than the kind of process that you would go through for deciding where to place a hyperscale facility or even co-location facilities or wholesale kind of facilities, usually because you're dealing with a much, much smaller footprint, a lot less square footage, a lot fewer square meters, a lot less power, and you're optimizing around location. You're optimizing around minimizing latency. So for sure, there's a little bit of real estate undertones to it. There's a little bit of investment part of it, but you're primarily, as an edge provider, you're primarily a data center operator selling to technologists. So with all of that in mind, if you're optimizing around budget, you need to make sure that you're operating as efficiently as possible. So